Good morning. I'm scared to go out because it's raining. Mommy, but I want to play. What I gonna do now?
I don't know, baby, because they have a typhoon.
I know that. But I feel sad inside the house. I want to play. Look, Tinky is there. Doesn't talk to me.
Because Tinky is a baby.
But she's cheeky, Mommy.
Yeah, I know. She's cheeky. Hello, Tinky. Betty says you're cheeky. Look, you broke your necklace.
I'm not broke.
Yes, you broke it. Look.
Because it's very long.
I know, but because you're small, so we need to little bit tight, or else you left behind on the floor.
I know that, Mommy.
Oh, you want to go outside, Diti? Want to go?
It's raining. How I can go?
Look.
Look, it's raining.
Yes, I see. It's rain. It's raining. The rain come, so don't go out. It's better.
I know that, Ma. What I gonna do? I don't want to wet my hair.
Okay, Tinky, come on. Sit beside Diti.
She's upset at me, Ma.
Yeah, I know. Always upset. Always me.
Because I don't like her. Mommy, she's very cheeky. She's always wanted to bite my tail.
Forgive her, Betty. That's how she is. Look, she is stretching her body.
I exercise, Mommy.
Yeah, I know. You're cheeky. You exercise. Okay. Do not let go.
I want to bite the bird.
Mm, 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 mm. You get hurt. Don't snag your... uh, 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 uh. You get hurt now.
Mommy, cut my nails. Mommy.
It's better. Don't touch the screen so you not get hurt.
I want to see outside, that's why. Tinky, don't go outside. It's raining.
Oh, Betty says don't go outside because it's raining.
I want. You're hard-headed, Tinky. Mommy says don't go. But Mommy, I want to go out.
It's raining. Betty says.
See, Mommy, she's hard-headed. Hard-headed cat. But I don't want to go out because my hair very white. I don't want to get there. Maybe Tinky wanted to go out because she's black and brown and gray. Yes, I want to go out. Want to play? Look, they have bird there. I want to sing, chasing.
She wanted to chasing Tinky. Betty, the bird.
Yes, Mommy, Tinky harmed the bird. She wanted to bite the bird.
I don't know. It's raining.
And it's cold. I want to go out, Mommy. Please, Mommy. I want to go out.
No, you not. You not go out.
She's hard-headed, Mommy. That's right. She's hard-headed. She biting always my tail, my ears. That's why I don't like her. Because your hair is fluffy, Betty. That's why I bite your tail and your ears. And you, Tinky, very fussy.
You and Tinky don't fight, okay? Love. Love only.
I just wait here, Mommy, until the rain done, and then I go out. Look, I'm going to clean my foot.
Okay, clean your foot, okay?
Yes, Mommy, I love you. I feel sleepy now. Mommy, let me go.
No, you not go.
It's later. I'll go to Daddy.
Okay, you've gone to your dad.
See, Mommy? Tinky is always like that. Hard-headed. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. I want to go now. Bye.